In Rezgo, users' desk locations and price sheets are all separate features. Each one has its own function, but when you use them together, that's where they become really powerful. A great example of this is when you have third parties logging into your Rezgo account to make and manage bookings. For this example, let's imagine we're working with a hotel, Hotel A. Within this hotel, there are two booking desks. You've got Desk A, which is reception, and Desk B, which is your concierge desk. Both desks need to track where bookings are coming from and manage commissions, but they operate under the same overall location. So let's start by creating our location. Under Users in the main menu, click Location and then click Create New Location. Enter some basic details such as your hotel name, hotel address, and then save it. One key feature of locations is that you can customize some customer-facing features. For example, anyone that gets a booking through a hotel can have a customized email template with Hotel A's branding. Next, we'll create our desks. In this example, we have 4 staff members working across 2 desks, reception and the concierge desk. Create a new desk, give it a name and assign it to your location. From there, you can choose which users have access to this desk and even apply restrictions. For example, you might only allow Desk A at reception take cash payments. You can do that. Repeat this process for each desk. Finally, we'll bring everything together then using price sheets. Under Inventory in the main menu, go to Price Sheets and create a new one. In this example, we'll set up a standard 20% commission for this location. Give your price sheet a name, then set your base rate to 20%. Under Advanced Settings, you can set up some different things here. Say, if you only wanted this commission for the peak season, you could do that. Otherwise, we'll just leave it as blank. Under Sheet Type, you can choose commission or net rate if you wanted to change pricing, but we're just going to stick with commission-based. Next, we're going to add the criteria. So this criteria and price sheet applies to the location. If needed, you could go even more granular and apply different commissions per desks, but for this, we're just going to use both desks. Then select the inventory this applies to. In this case, we'll just choose all. You'll see here you can override some things. So even though the base rate is 20% commission, I could give just 10% for this inventory if I wanted to. I could also change the pricing. I could also change the availability for specific products. Now, let's see how this all works together in practice. When creating a booking through the point of sale, I'm allowing my staff to choose a desk because they might work at different desks on different days. When Desk A, reception, is selected, only the relevant inventory for this price sheet applies. So as the booking is created, you'll see the commission reflected here under the price tiers. Once the booking is completed, you'll see that this booking is assigned to reception, so I can run reports on this later, and you'll also see the commission is clearly tracked in this booking. That's how locations, desks, and price sheets work together in Rezgo. If you'd like to learn more about how this setup would work for your business, feel free to reach out to support@rezgo.com.